What's wrong?
Yeah, what's with the frowny face?
Remember when she did that phase in year 5 when someone ate her birthday cake?
Or maybe she wet herself again like the time in year 3. Hi Mum, are you busy?
Hey sweetie, dinner's at 7. I need you to pick up some asparagus and some milk, okay?
Okay.
Oh, hello, Poppets. Is everything okay?
Oh, hi Grandad, I'm in a rush. Sorry.
You look a bit melancholic. Is everything okay?
I don't really want a conversation, I'm busy.
What's wrong? Are you okay? Did you run into Grandad too? Why are you talking to this pathetic baby? Hey! Is she your friend or something? Not actually.
Does she want her mommy? Dookie gaga.
Hey, she's my sister, you know. Now look what you've done.
What's wrong?
Yeah, what's with the frowning face?
I remember when she did that frowny face when someone ate her birthday cake in year 5?
Or maybe she wet herself again like that time in year 3.
Hey Mum, I'll pick up the asparagus and milk. Anything else?
That would be lovely. How did you know we've run out?
Oh, hello, Poppets. What are you doing here?
Grandad, we talked about this yesterday. I don't have time for this.
Huh? Yesterday? Yesterday you came to my house to have a cup of tea.
Ouch. Grandad, I don't want a conversation now. I'm busy. I don't understand. The day has repeated somehow.
What are you talking about? How? Impossible. You will cause many paradoxes to occur, like the causal loop. The effect of an action can only occur after the cause.
You don't have to mock me. I know what you're going to say.
Oh, so mad psychic now. What's wrong?
Yeah, what's with your frowny face?
No, I don't want to be friends with you two anymore. You two are the worst and I'm sick of it.